Today, the world says goodbye to a true icon. Hulk, the famous 180-pound American pit bull who captured hearts around the globe, has sadly passed away. He died peacefully in his owner's arms. Known for his enormous size, gentle heart, and the undeniable love he radiated, Hulk changed not only his family's life, but the world's perception of the American pit bull breed. His energy was pure and welcoming. Everyone who met him felt his warmth immediately. Hulk wasn't just a dog. He was a symbol of loyalty, strength, family, and love. His legacy will live on forever. Rest in power, Hulk, the world's most famous pit bull. He was there for his family through every milestone, and his presence in the world of dog breeding, training, and family life made him a household name. Hulk's legacy as the undisputed king of his breed will live on forever. He was truly one of a kind, a legend who made this world a better, kinder place.